I thought it was a picture. The swan is getting sleepy and the white birds don't let him sleep. He's closing his eyes.
Yes, somebody gonna run over and knock him over.
He don't need nobody singing to him to go to sleep. He just want to try to fall asleep. With all the annoying birds around him.
Reach over and push him over.
See? They probably want to go and push him over because they go too near to him. See, they don't let him sleep. He's trying to lean these birds. They're so annoying. The one that's the reason he don't fight in front of me. Look how he's moving his neck all around. Just to check it, nobody's around here.